Receive my greetings from wherever you are. So today I have a pretty small scenario for you. I'm good in scenario as well. So I want to talk about physics, just the basic of physics, about action and reaction. So today we have our friend here is named Jay. Jay is a lift user, right? So now he found himself on the ground floor. This is the ground floor, right? So you want to go to the fourth floor, right? So now in the lift is attached the spring on the plank of the lift, and then there is attached the scale, that is the scale that is the spring. So Jay, before the lift starts moving or starts going up, realizes that his weight is 700 Newton. Okay, considering the acceleration of gravity of 10 meter per second square. So here, obviously, J mass is 700 Newton over 10 meter per second square, which is 70 kilogram. So now, as they want to go up, here is the reaction, considering the free body diagram here. Here is the reaction of the lift from the plank, which is P. And then here is the action actually of the weight of J. So P now as the apparent weight, P as the apparent weight is equal to, P is equal to the weight of J plus the mass of J, this time multiplied by the acceleration of the lift going up, which is considered to be 1 meter per second square. So that, since the lift is going up, so now our acceleration is positive. So here we go. Now, the apparent weight is 700 plus 70 multiplied by 1 meter per second squared, which is equal to 770 Newton. As at the moment that the lift starts going up, J realizes that his weight has gone up by 70 Newton. He has gained weight in a few seconds. So what's happening is it feels heavy. It feels heavier than before. So now this is how it's happening, what you go through daily or weekly. So let's consider now this time J coming up from the fourth floor to this, from the fourth floor to the second or to the first floor. Now this is what's happening. The same P is equal to the same thing, weight of J plus mass of J times C, which is the acceleration. So this time, since the lift is going down, C is considered to be negative, or minus 1 meter per second square. So now this is what we're getting. So we're getting 700 Newton plus, what is that? 70 kilograms times minus 1. So now this time around, J realizes that as he's going down, his weight is lessened by 70 Newton, which is 630 Newton. Actually, this is what we go through on a daily basis. So as the lift starts going up, the spring feels feels confined. As the list is going down, this thing feels the same thing. Actually, it tries to release itself, but what's happening is the weight has changed. Actually, I would like you guys to understand this. So it was a pleasure of mine to share this video, and I hope that you guys are going to subscribe and going to like this. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like if you feel like this has touched you, and don't forget to share if you want other people to understand what you just have understood. So for now, I'm going to ask you to take care of yourself, and cheers, bye.